hung up. They are long. And I'll get some tie backs. You can have them swag like that. And swag over here. And I want to get some sheer ones as well, and the sheer ones will come down. I'm going to get these curtains taken down. They've been up since I moved in. I'm going to throw these in the washer. And then I'll be using these to bathe with now. Because when I buy, you know, designer towels and stuff like that, I like to hang them up for display in my bathroom for a little bit, and then I wash them, and then I can personally use them. Alright, y'all, so I went and got the towels done, and we're going to get these hung up. So I'm just gonna coordinate the white towel with the gray. I can have the design shown if I like to. And that's all I'm gonna be doing for that. Now what I wanna do is get my apothecary jars filled up. Alright, and now I have the tall one, and I think the tall one is just going to be like my bath salt.